Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Always make sure to check your surroundings when you're changing lanes. This driver is waving pedestrians with children to blindly jaywalk across a busy road. I know I'm not the best driver out there, but this is just reckless. Noticed an idiot catching up on his TikTok at a merge point on the motorway this evening. This guy has his own personal lane. Why did this idiot decide to pull in front of us while towing a trailer?
Nie! Ty kurwę!
Doesn't have time to yield? I don't know if this dude can read traffic lights. This aggressive driver forces me to drop back so they can pass. I'm really scared after seeing that this driver is also scared to exit. This is why it's important to brake early and not end up in a situation like this.
There he goes. Same day delivery package right there. And there's the cops.
Stopping at a red light isn't for prime people, right? At first, I was like, it's okay, but after seeing the same thing happen again with the same driver, I think he might be blind.
2 hours later.
Dude, where are you going? You're right in the crosswalk, buddy. What are you doing? The light's still red, by the way. Where do you think you're going?
How not to merge? Mildly irritating. Is it really that hard to take half a second to look before turning? You know what they say about bad drivers and exits? After this, he'll never use his phone while driving again.
I bet he's part of I bet he's part of the machine. I bet he gets, he's out there telling people what to invest in, and these other people, there's gotta be a massive.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.